Welcome back to Set Streets and Eats, guys. I'm Chris Bauer. I am in Indianapolis today in front of a Chuck E. Cheese with the Studio C stage. We're going to go in and check that out. Or I'm going to go in and check that out. No, we're going to go in and check that out because you're going to come see it with me. So let's go see it. So behind me is the Studio C beta stage here on Washington Avenue in Indianapolis. Chuck in his rock star outfit looks to be in really good shape. His fur looks a little bit older, but he's on random movement, so it's good to see him moving. And yeah, he's looking pretty good. All the lights are lit up and working, except for the stage lights. I don't see any stage lights working, but it's okay. That's not imperative. It's nice to see them when they work, but not 100% needed, but these are always cool. The ones around Pete's Time Clock. But yeah, Chuck looks real good for a 16M. You do, bud. I dig it. Rest of the stage looks pretty in good shape. They got all the lights on there. CEC, we got the blue screen, and we got the Studio C. Ooh, it's got the ripples on it. It's the fancy Studio C. I like it. And they do have the artwork over on the side as well of Surfing Chuck and Diving Munch. So this is the first stage visit I'm doing after the Nanuet, New York announcement. So we will be seeing this stage type perform again in Nanuet, New York, as you guys have no doubt already heard. Them saving a beta stage is a pretty interesting choice. Haven't seen one of these guys perform in nearly 2 years. It's been about a year and a half. I think it was September of 2022. So it's been a while. So it'll be interesting to see what big plans they have for that Nanuet store and their beta stage. But we're gonna jump in and check out the artwork and the video games. So we've got all the generic pieces over on the side, this side of the showroom, and that's basically the only side because there's really no other wall. On the other side is basically just open area, open arcade area that leads us into the kiddie arcade where they've got dinosaur catcher and snowball toss and Noah's Ark and the bus tour sketchbook. Of course, we have hot cocoa with the characters. Several others, rides, Biker-O, over in Hungry Chickens, Skee Ball Pirates Hook, and facing them we do have Grand Marshal of Games and Titan of Tokens, and of course that's going to lead us to High Five Chuck. Then over in the Big Kids Arcade, we have the Harp-On Lagoon, of course, the Simpsons games that always have a few tokens laying around inside. But they're all newer, it looks like. Then we've got one of my favorite, Intermission. I'm glad that you are starting to see this a few more. Well, I guess it's kind of an older game, so it's probably seen it in a few less, honestly. But I always love that game. Anything that talks about the movie-going experience, I'm into. Then we've got Zombie Snatcher and Avengers, Snowboarder and Halo. Baseball Pro is a cool game. You don't see this a ton. This is a pretty cool game, though. I like how big it is. It's like a giant single pinball machine. Then we got Space Invaders, Fast and the Furious, Batman. Ooh, Adventure to Spooky Creek. What is this one? We got a werewolf game? Have I never seen this before? Comment below. I feel like this has probably been in a few and I just haven't noticed it. Maybe, I don't know. This is standing out to me. I love these lamps on the side. That's awesome. I don't know. I feel like I would have noticed this before, but the screen graphics look really familiar. So maybe I have noticed it. I don't know. It definitely looks a little bit dated, but I like it. That's awesome. We got Batman and of course the oldie but goodie, Sea-Wolf. Here it is, y'all. Been around Chuck E. Cheese's since the very beginning in different forms. And look, it's like they were waiting for us. One ball. Oh, and this is really aired up, so this is really gonna bounce back. Oh Lord, here we go. What? We did it. Got one today. We got Angry Birds Arcade. And of course, I'm seeing that stupid game everywhere now. Now it's got the gun. I never noticed the gun. Ooh, somebody left me some skee balls. You know I got to. I've got nothing. Oh, hold on, no, come on, 10. Nothing. There's a 4. I'll leave it on that. Good Lord. Terrible today. Over in the store, we got the beach balls out for summer. We got all the plushy pals, large, medium, and small plushies, hats, all the traditional accoutrement of a Chuck E. Cheese redemption counter store. Very nice. Well, guys, this was a real short visit. So this had almost no art to speak of, at least of the decent pieces that we are used to seeing or hope to see in these stores. I don't know why. It's a pretty good sized store. It's mostly arcade except for the stage area. But oh well. I wish I would have seen a little bit of art, but got a nice looking Chuck Beta stage still here. And I'm excited to see a Chuck Beta perform again in Nanuet whenever that happens. So we'll see when they announce it. But I'm going to get on out of here. I appreciate you guys watching from the Indianapolis store, and we'll see you next time. Bye now. Later, Jeff.